Let's be honest. AI is everywhere, and it's hard to go a day without seeing a flashy demo, a viral GPT moment, or someone predicting the end of humanity via algorithm. But while today's large language models and generative tools are impressive, they're still playing in the sandbox compared to what's coming next. AGI beyond current models cuts through the noise. It's not just another book hyping the latest tool. It's a smart, accessible, deep dive into what real artificial general intelligence looks like and why we are not there yet. Spanning 41 chapters, the book digs into the missing pieces, things like true understanding, common sense, agency, self-reflection, memory systems that work more like ours, and the kind of flexible thinking that can jump across tasks and contexts. Basically, all the stuff today's AI still fakes what you'll find inside the book. A clear breakdown of how AGI is different from the AI we use now. A sharp critique of the bigger is better mindset in machine learning. A roadmap of what AGI needs: causality, grounding, creativity, and social intelligence. Big questions around ethics, risk, and what it means to align machines with human values. A look at hybrid models, neuroscience-inspired designs, and other exciting paths forward. Real talk on the limits of projects like GPT, Gemini, and Meta's superintelligence project. It's not just theory either. If you are working in AI or planning to, this book offers practical insights. Think of it as a guide to building better systems, making smarter decisions, and staying one step ahead in a fast-changing field. If you're working at Meta, Google, OpenAI, or any other organizations, you're being told to write an algorithm and write a program based on it and create a product, right? So you think inside the box because you have to follow the rule, follow the requirement. And through my book, you understand how to think outside the box, because that's when innovation happens. So why now? Because the future of AI isn't just about what we can build, it's about what we should build. And if you care about where this is all headed and how not to screw it up, this is the book you want on your desk. Grab your copy on Google, Amazon, or any other bookstores or online bookstores and book platforms. Remember, this isn't just about watching the future unfold. It's about understanding it before it runs ahead of us all. Until next time, have a good day.